back to another lesson of Kurdish language. So for today we are going to explain some phrases how you're going to use in Kurdish and how to say it. So let's go. Okay, for today we are going to learn how to say good morning in Kurdish. So in Kurdish, if you want to say good morning, you are going to say bani bash. Bani bash. Okay, so if there was one people or two people, you can say bani bash. And if you want to say to some people, okay, you can use this as well. So there is no problem if you say bani bash or bani bash. So try to practice this, bani bash or banit bash. You can say this with T, okay, banit bash or banitan bash. So banitan bash is for plural people, like there are so many peoples and you just want to say good morning to them, so you can say banitan bash. Okay, let's go to another one, how to say good afternoon. Okay, so if you want to say good afternoon in Kurdish, you are going to say niwaro bash. Niwaro bash. So good means bash and niwaro means afternoon. Okay, so niwaro bash, and you can say niwarot bash. Okay, and you can say niwarotan bash. Okay, so you can use 3 ways to say good afternoon. Okay, so let's go to how to say good evening. Okay, if you want to say good evening, okay, in Kurdish you say ewara bash. Ewara bash. Okay, so if you want to say to so many people, okay, you can say ewaratan bash. Ewaratan bash. Or there is a specific person that you want to say good evening to him or her, you can say ewarat bash with T. So ewara bash. Ewara bash. Ewara bash. Okay, so let's go to say to learn how to say good night in Kurdish. Okay, so if you want to say good night in Kurdish, you are saying shoshat. Or if you want to say specific person, you can say shot shat. As we said, T always referring to you. So we in Kurdish use T in the end, or maybe from the end of the noun, or maybe in the end of the verbs. So this T is referring always to you, and we said am is referring to me all the time. So, and if you want to say to people, so many people are, maybe they are sitting, okay, you are going to say good night. So in Kurdish you can say shotan shat. Shotan shat. Shotan shat. Okay, there's another phrase which is bye in Kurdish is khwat lagal. Khwat lagal. So khwa means God, okay, means God, and T, as we said, is referring to you, and lagal means with you. Okay, so khwat lagal. So how we know the meaning of each word. Khwat lagal, God be with you. So khwat lagal means goodbye. And some people says khwa hafiz, khwa hafiz, khwa hafiz, or khwat lagal, khwat lagal. Okay, let's I teach you another word how to say khwat lagal. Okay, you can use khwat lagal as well. Let's see another word, and we have farewell, which is malawa. Malawa. Okay, so we discussed bani bash, niwaro bash, ewara bash, and shoshat, and we say khwat lagal and malawa. So guys, if you like these videos, please try to practice these videos, because I'm going to post more and more about the videos, more sentences. Okay, I know this is basic things, okay, but in the future it's gonna be more sentences, more subjects which is you have difficulty to understand or to know. So, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. خواتان لقا